Growing up, all I needed was one person to mirror me, to teach me how to inhabit my whole self. Watching people like Michael Jordan carried me through. I wanted to be like Mike. Slowly, I realized I had to learn to see myself and stop waiting for other people to see me. I had to stop waiting to be who I already was. We're all alive right now in this era for a reason. What is it? Why are you here? Are you going to show up as your true self? Are you going to carry out your design? Or are you going to be loyal to your history, even the parts that no longer serve you? Latent within you are gems. Find them. We are so much more than what defines us, whether it be race, gender, career. We are souls. There are a billion things you don't know, but what you do know opens up the universe. There will never be another me. There will never be another you. I grew up wanting to be like Mike. Now, I just want to be like me.
What's up, YouTube fans? Sway Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another sneaker unboxing for today. And as you can tell by the title of the video, not shoes for me, but shoes for my lady. And I actually got them for her birthday. I've been eyeing these, and I always wanted to get the mids that she did. Excuse me. I always wanted to get the mids that she did, but the resale has been, it's been dumb, like crazy dumb. It's been sky high, and it's still high. So yeah, I forgot. Shit, don't even know. But I want to give a special shout out to GOAT. I was able to pick them up through GOAT. GOAT is legit, you guys. So use it. It's legit, and for everything. If you can get it insta shipped, or you can get it send it to GOAT's warehouse, and they'll go ahead and verify it and make sure everything's good before they send it off to you. And they send this, and they send a little sticker with it. So GOAT is legit. Yeah, it's legit. It's legit, you guys. So you can use it. And but let's go ahead and get into the sneaker review. But before we get into the sneaker review, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy. If you're a first-time viewer, hit that like button, because hitting that like button, well, clicking that like button goes a long way, and it helps, you know, give my video more exposure. Share this video, you guys, or whatever you need to do, but make sure you hit that like button for your boy. It helps out a lot. But okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, as y'all saw from the title, these are the Air Jordan OG. Now, the OG were specifically made for women. I can't remember the brief history on it, but I know this model came into play for the women in the WNBA. I forgot what year it was, but it was made for the women. I know I keep saying that, but it was made for the women, you guys. It's specifically for the women, like I said, not for us men. But I like the model. It takes after the Air Jordan 13, as you can see from the pods on the mid and inside. So yeah, it's a dope shoe. And Melody, I can't say her last name, so forgive me. Melody, she knocked these out the park. Like I said, if you seen the mids, I'll put a picture up. She killed those too. So the collabs are just, the women's collabs are always fire. I'm not gonna even lie. So I'm kind of hating, because the men, we never get like a nice collab, and when we do, we can't never really get our hands on it unless we're paying resale. I don't know why my voice keeps going out, but bear with me, you guys. But let's go ahead and get into the box real quick, because the box is unique as well. Okay, so the box here, got the Jordan box. You got me, and me. Her initials. Okay, and on the inside, on the paper, it says, if you truly knew what you what you had was rare, you would never waste it. Julie Burns Walker. That's on that paper right there. Flip that some more. Then you got this neat little drawing right here. And like I said, it's the little things, man, that goes so far. You know, the ideas behind it. And up here you got the pyramids and you got hearts. But the idea that goes into this and like the creativity is just crazy, man. And on the inside, which I'll do a B-roll for you guys, on the inside it says, I believe in us. Explore you, and inner space is it's the new frontier, excuse me. So that is the box, you guys. All right, so back into the sneaker. Like I said, it's inspired by the Air Jordan 13. Overall, it's a clean sneaker. Get into little details right here. I think it's a pen. Yeah, it's a pen. So I like that, man. Like I said, it's a little thing. It's a pen with Melody's name inscribed on the stems right here. And like I said, you got those from the Air Jordan 13, the pods or whatever. The shoe all over is 3M. On the back, you got that Jumpman with her initial on the back, me. And on the bottom, you got your paws. You got the pods in purple and the outlining in red. I think that's red. What's the color? It says infrared. So yeah, black, infrared, and a hyper gray. So there you go. And then you got Jordan in the bubble right here, and on the inside you got that Jumpman and that infrared with that hyper grape on the insole of the shoe. And on the the right shoe, you have her initials again. I hope you guys can see that. I'll give you a B-roll if you can't. You have me and infrared and that hyper grape insole. Now you also get 3M laces. I don't know if she's gonna put those in or not, but we'll see. But on the inside, inscribed right here, I'm gonna read this for you guys. I thought this was really unique. The cherry throughout time has been a symbol of abundance associated with the goddesses of fertility and plenty. So I say to you, goddess, may your creativity be fertile, however you choose to use it, and may abundance in all things good be yours. Big love to all my sisters all around the world. This one's for you. So that was pretty cool, you guys. Overall, the idea behind the shoe is very dope. It was done for our Women's International Month, so big ups to Melody. She did her thing on these, and my girl, she was she was very happy to have these. So, and I was grateful to be able to pick them up. So yeah, so hopefully you guys like the video. She's gonna do the on feet for you guys. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're a first time viewer. Leave a like for your boy. Like I said, it helps me out a lot. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting me and more. But for now, let's go ahead and get into the on feet of these. Swag kicks them out.
Yeah, this shit already fucked. Yeah. I'm just tryna study racks in the Gucci bag, yeah. KiccDoe. All designer and a belt, it can't match, yeah. This a big bag, well hell no, little bit can't match this, yeah. I want fresh at young nigga, step expensive fabric, yeah. I'm just tryna study racks in the Gucci bag, yeah. KiccDoe. All designer and a